In today's video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to sign up for Shein affiliate program. So let's get started. So here we are on Shein, and first is that you need to go into the app, log in into your account, or if you're in a website, you could also just log into your account. From here, you want to tap on the menu right here at the bottom. So tap on it, and from here is that you want to make sure that you're logged in. And once you're done, then that's all the requirement there is actually. And from here, you can just go here into this menu right here, or you can scroll sideways, and then you'd be able to see the affiliate button. So you just need to tap on that. And from here, you'd now be able to see all the affiliate offers here in Shein that you could do so that you could start earning right here. So in here, you want to tap on start earning at the very bottom. As you can see, it says start earning. And then you'll now be prompted here in the terms of service. You just need to tap here on I have read the privacy policy once you're done, and then tap on accept. And then from here is that you will now be authorized. And once it's successful, you will now be prompted into the dashboard of the affiliate program. And that's it. You have now joined the affiliate program. And from here, you can just exit out of this right there and tap here on X. And then from here, you'd now be able to see the dashboard with your referral code. As you can see right here, you could just copy that. And then from here, you could just share it to your viewers or audience. And then you want to make sure that they use your referral code when they sign up into Shein and then buy something in here. And that way you'd get a commission and then you'd be eligible for earning in this affiliate program. You'd also be seeing some products in here where you could also promote this. And then you just basically need to tap on the earn button right here on the right side. And then now you'd be able to share this. As you can see, you could copy the link, which is the one that you would need for the viewer or the audience that you have to use when they buy this product in order for you to get a commission or earn as an affiliate. Or you could just simply share them into your WhatsApp, message, Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat platforms. So yeah, this is basically it on how you could join the affiliate program. And the offers here might vary depending on the time that you're watching this. They might have some promos going on or events. So yeah, make sure that you check it out yourself as of today. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.